everyone. Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel, Hybrid Jamaican-American Art, an art of Jamaican cooking, American power tooling, and much more. If you think you can't eat bananas when they're green, guess what? You can. They just have to be cooked first. So I'm going to cook my green bananas in two different ways so that they're nice and edible. So let me get started. Now that my green bananas are ready to be cooked, again, I'll be cooking the ones without skin separate from the ones with skin, just to keep them from, interacting with one another at medium to high heat. This normally takes about, 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes. Sometimes more, sometimes less, which is why I always stress, you gotta check. As you're cooking your food, always check. So, I'm gonna start cooking these, checking them periodically, and when they're ready, we can see the difference. So now, both sets of my green bananas are ready. Just the fact that it's breaking apart tells you that. And again, of course they're going to taste different. The ones with the skin are going to taste different from the ones without the skin. But please remember, don't eat the skin. That would not be wise. Don't eat the skin. So see, you can eat green bananas. You just have to cook them first, as I've cooked them here. One with the skin and one without the skin. But remember, don't eat the skin. It just gives the banana another type of flavor. I also like to eat Jamaican green bananas with Jamaican stewed chicken, Jamaican cabbage, Jamaican rice and peas, and many other foods. They don't always have to be Jamaican foods. Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel, Hybrid Jamaican-American Art. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and if you have, thank you very much. I hope you return to my channel, as by God's grace, I'll be back with more Jamaican cooking and other aspects of hybrid Jamaican-American art. Till next time!